Hi, welcome back. I'm Giovanni, chef Ristorante Caserne. Today we're gonna make a dish that is gonna be in our new menu. It's an important dish for me, it's an important recipe because it's come from my region. It's malfatti of gnocchi of ricotta. The ingredients for this recipe are ricotta, parmesan of grana padano, depends what you like the most, garlic, sage, butter, spinach, egg, and a bit of flour. We're gonna start with the preparation of the spinach. As you see, they are already cooked, blanched in water, and then squeeze the water out. We need to have something like this. It has to be not totally dry, but almost dry. We're gonna need for this preparation now the garlic, oil, and a bake pan. Clean the garlic. As always, we leave it inside of this skin. Oil. And we start to aromatize the oil with the garlic. The spinach that we add. Okay. And when the frying pan is ready, we're gonna put them in. When the spinach are ready, we're gonna put it in a bowl and we're gonna let it cool down a bit. This one we can put it in the cooling and we're gonna use it after for the next preparation. Okay, now that our spinach are cooled down, we're gonna start to prepare the preparation of the gnocchi. 300 grams roughly of spinach, cooked spinach and squeezed it. 300 grams of ricotta. After we're going to add 100 grams of parmesan, 150 grams of parmesan. One egg. And 1 spoon of flour. The flour is going to help a bit to keep everything together. And now we start to mix it. Okay, now that we have a nice masa, we are gonna put a bit of flour on the bottom of something. You can use a plate. I'm gonna use this iron plate. Okay, you take 2 spoons and we make a quenelle. Now, as you see, they come out a few. Okay, this one now we're gonna, after we make the quenelle, we keep it in the flour. We're gonna take care that the flour is everywhere, and we're gonna just let it rest for for 1 hour max in the cooling. The flour is gonna start to suck out the water, and it's gonna create a little pasta, you can say, outside that is gonna help us in the cooking process. Now that our malfatti are rested for 20 minutes, they're gonna be ready to be cooked. You can touch them. You're gonna see that around it form a little skin, you can say, with the flour, and that is gonna be the one that is gonna protect our gnocchi in the cooking process. We put them down in water. I think 6, 7 for 1 portion is more than enough. Now it depends how much you like it. If you like it more, put it more. I'm not gonna judge you. Now we dip them in the water softly, and we take care that the water is softly bubbling for being sure that nothing is gonna break in the cooking process. Now the gnocchi or the malfatti are cooking. In the meantime, we're gonna prepare our sauce, our butter sauce. The butter is actually a beurre noisette, for the people who knows that. with sage and garlic. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Now, warm it up the frying pan. We take the butter, put it in. Almost in the same time, our garlic and the leaves of the sage. So now the butter is starting to go from blonde to noisette, just a bit more brown. This one is something that we have to really stay behind it, because the risk that it go a bit too far is really easy. This point is ready. We take our gnocchi and we put them in. At this point, they are ready, so we're gonna put it in the plate. A bit of Parmesan under. And we'll start with plating. Bit of butter on top, the sage that is going to be fried, and the butter we're going to add it on top. Now the malfatti are ready. Enjoy!